back to Kung Fu Maintenance. Today I got a dripping shower head, but that's a different story. I'm going to save that for a minute here. But I got a shower door that's just not closing properly, and wanted to show you how you can adjust these. These have an Allen set screw. There's another one just like this at the bottom of the door, and these allow you to adjust the distance of the door position from the frame, so you can change the distance position, the lean of the door distance from the frame. As well as you've got a seat screw here that you can adjust the slide and position of the top track, or the entire track, because you can change the pivot and lift the door up and adjust the pivot. So you can try kind of pushing up top like so, and see if that gives you a good catch. And if not, you can try adjusting the other deal. On some shower doors, it is common that the side-to-side pivot sometimes loses its pivot, and you'll need to readjust it there by loosening the nut and then sliding it over, then tightening it back down. Let me show you the most common way to fix these up, and it's actually on the stationary portion of the door, so it's much easier. And the other way is this has an adjustment of the slide here, so you can loosen these screws and adjust the door trim, and actually that's going to be the way to go on this one. We'll just adjust that trim over. Here it goes. Set this here. We'll just loosen the screws here. Slide the trim out. Then we can tighten it down and test it. Now this one, I think it's time to re-silicone it in, as it's getting kind of loose there. So let's just test that. Oh, much better. I'll actually bring the bottom portion of it out as well. Here it goes. Tighten that down. That'll just allow everything to seat much better and catch that magnet much better. And we can run some silicone and tighten things up. Looks like I got to move the top over a little bit more, but that is going to be the key. This one. There we go. Oh, night and day. So much better. Putting that up there. And again, going to silicone everything. We'll silicone this side as well. That'll keep it from going back in and just make it better. And the next thing will be replacing that dripping tub cartridge. That's no good. Don't want to waste water. This will just silicone up real quick. And there was a couple little minor holes. We'll run a bead right here. And behind the screws, just so we don't have stuff going down there. You can even get the screw heads. And I'll get the outside of the door as well. Same thing. Just going along the track, going along here. I'll just use my finger and a rag and smooth everything up with the silicone, and we'll be all set. Thanks for watching Kung Fu Maintenance. That's an easy adjustment for a shower door. Make it catch better. There we go.